Fantastic, Helen. Now, slowly put Millie down over there, on the left. Oh, hello everyone. Don't worry, there's nothing wrong with Millie the motorbike. These vehicles are helping Helen with her training exercises. It's important for Helen to practice lifting different vehicles and placing them down without hurting them, so that she can rescue vehicles in a real emergency. Helen's lifting each vehicle and placing them in a special order. Can you guess what the order is? That's right, she's sorting them by size. Starting from the left, we have the smallest vehicle first. Millie the motorbike, Rick the road roller, Max the monster truck, Rebecca the recycling truck, Fiona the fire truck, and... oh, there should be one more. Ah, here he is, Bobby the bus, just in time. Bobby's the biggest vehicle here. Helen, can you please lift Bobby to the end of the line? Oh dear, Helen, I think there's something wrong. Your winch cable looks like it's about to snap. Ah! Oh dear, that wasn't supposed to happen. My arm is sore, but I'll be okay. Oh, Helen, you look badly hurt. I'll get Florence the forklift to lift you back up onto your skids, and we'll take a look at you. The skids are a helicopter's feet. Helen rests on them when she isn't flying. Your skids seem okay, but your rotors have been damaged. Your winch cable's snapped, and you're covered in scratches. This looks like a job for the mechanicals. Go, go, mechanicals! I'm really sorry, Helen. You're in such a sorry state. The mechanicals will fix you up, and you'll soon be feeling great. They'll swap your broken rotors, spray your scratches, and much more. Fit a thicker cable to your winch, far, far stronger than before. Fantastic! Now you're all fixed up, let's head back outside and test your tough new winch out. Let's try sorting the vehicles by colours of the rainbow, starting with Fiona the red fire truck on the left. Next is Max the orange monster truck. Do you know who comes next? That's right, it's Rick the yellow road roller. After Rick, it's Rebecca the green recycling truck. Who's next? That's right, it's Millie the blue motorbike. And last, but definitely not least, it's Bobby, the purple bus. Careful now, Helen. Nice and steady. Brilliant. The mechanicals have fixed you up and made your winch even stronger. You can lift Bobby up no problem. And now the vehicles form a perfect rainbow. And they match the real rainbow up in the sky. Beautiful! Here come my baby bus friends. They're chasing their Uncle Bobby down the road. Hello, baby buses. What's wrong? What's that? The buses wish they were bigger and longer like their Uncle Bobby. No problemo. Would you like to go into my stretching machine? Harry is the first in line. Squash and stretch and realign. The stretching machine is super strong. It's made Harry twice as long. The next one in is little Molly. Squish and squash, oh how jolly. The stretching machine is super strong. It's made Molly 3 times as long. Last into the machine is Dot. Squish and squash and stretch a lot. The stretching machine is super strong. It's made Dot 4 times as long. Wow! Look how long you all are. Your brothers and sisters are going to be very surprised to see you. And here comes Rick the Road Roller. I don't think he's looking where he's going. Look out, Rick! Uh-oh. Too late. Ooh, what a nasty smash. The mechanicals are getting the garage ready for our poorly friend, Rick the Road Roller. Rick carries a big heavy drum in front of him, which he uses to flatten roads. That makes them nice and smooth. Rick's drum should be a cylinder shape, but that smash from Ryan has made it go all wonky. Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Hello, Rick. Wow, you really do have a problem today. Your drum is all broken and twisted. I think it needs replacing. Let's fit you a new one. Oh, Rick, what a mess you've got yourself in. Your drum's all twisted, and now it won't spin. We'll find a nice new drum, just for you. Let's fix you up. There, good as new. That new drum doesn't look like the old cylinder. I think that's a sphere. A sphere is different from a circle. A circle is round and flat. A sphere is round, but solid, just like a ball. Let's test it out. I don't think this sphere is the right shape for Rick's drum. It's making Rick all dizzy and confused. Let's go back inside and try again. Don't worry, Rick, no need to fear. The mechs will soon replace that sphere. Swap out the drum and look at that. A cylinder whose sides are flat? Oh dear, mechanicals. That's not a cylinder shape. It's a cuboid. A cylinder has to be round. Rick can't roll a road using a shape with flat sides. All that thumping is giving Rick a headache. Now the mechs know what to avoid. Drums that are spherical or cuboid. What's this drum they're trying to wrangle? I don't like the look of that triangle. That triangular prism isn't right either. Mechanicals, are you trying to make Rick crash? Oops, too late. There we go. That's a cylinder, and it fits just right. The rounded shape is perfect for Rick to move around on and roll things flat. It's a nice quiet day here at Gecko's garage. No vehicles to fix. Ah, there's Baby Truck and her friends, Molly the baby bus and Jane the baby monster truck. They're at the park today, enjoying the sunshine. Woohoo! Chase the ball, baby truck. But look out for that tree. Ouch! Did that hurt, baby truck? At least Mummy Truck's here to help. Oh, there, baby truck. Don't cry. Accidents happen. Mummy Truck, why don't you bring baby truck over to Gecko's garage and we can help. Hello, baby truck. How are you? What's that, Blue? She's got a hurty bumper. Let's get you inside the garage and we'll have you fixed up in no time. You're very brave, baby truck. We all have accidents, don't you worry. We'll raise you up just a little using my hydraulic lift. First, Blue will lift your bumper back into place. There. Now, Red's going to cover up those scratches with some beautiful blue paint to match. That's looking better already. Finally, Yellow will check there's no damage underneath, and Green can weld your bumper so it stays in place. Down you come, baby truck. You really were very brave. I bet you're very proud of her, Mummy Truck. Thanks for visiting me at Gecko's garage today. Be careful on that slide, but have a fun day. Today we're going to be learning colours with my truck friends. Here they come now! First up is Baby Truck. She's so bright and shiny. Baby Truck is red. Let's hear your horn, Baby Truck. Woohoo! Now let's make a fuss. Wave to Bobby the bus. He's a lovely shade of purple. Baby Truck loves driving next to Bobby. Bobby is purple. Baby Truck is red. Max the monster truck is ready to jump. His giant monster tyres get him over the hump. What colour is Max? Do you know? Max is orange. Here's someone new. He's shiny and blue. It's Harry the cute baby bus. Harry and Max are good friends. Max is orange. Harry is blue. She's on her day shift, Florence the forklift. She's bright yellow. Whoa, is that making you dizzy, Florence? Here's Rebecca the recycling truck. I wonder where Rebecca's been. Her shiny paint is so clean and green. Florence is yellow. Rebecca is green. What a lot of colours we've seen. Shall we remind ourselves? And perhaps, if we put them together, we can make a rainbow. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Baby Truck is bright red. Bobby the bus is purple. Florence the forklift is bright yellow. Rebecca the recycling truck is clean and green. Max the monster truck is orange. And Harry the baby bus is blue. Let's put these colours all together. And now we've got a beautiful rainbow. Down on the construction site, Daisy the baby dumper truck is helping her Uncle Dylan. She's not very big, but she loves to help out. Oh no! Daisy's stuck in the mud! We need to help Daisy! Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Come on, Daisy. Let's go back to my garage and we'll take a look at your wheels. Something doesn't seem right with them. Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Let's all see what we can learn as we make Daisy dumper truck turn. Those tyres look awfully small, even for a baby truck. They look more like car tyres to me. Tyres have tread on the outside so they can grip the ground. Small tyres have small grip to keep our cars safe on the roads. But building sites are muddy and bumpy places, so construction trucks need big tyres with big grip. Okay, Daisy, let's get the mechanicals to swap your tyres for bigger ones. Go, go, mechanicals! Red and yellow are removing baby's old, small car tyres. Green and blue are fetching some new, big construction truck tyres. Be careful there, Blue. That doesn't look safe. Uh-oh. Oh, Blue. You look very tired. Let's get these tyres fitted to Daisy. Good work, everyone. Those new big tyres have much thicker tread and much better grip. It's time to get back to work at the construction site. Fantastic work, Daisy. I'm glad we could get you the right tyres for the job. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you again soon. But for now, it's cheerio from Gecko. Bye!